Working on the water, diesel and stores, laying up a while before I'm back on board. They're patching her up to go fishing again, fishing again. Welding her rudder, scrubbing her keel, scars on her belly need time to heal. In the dark of the trawling man, I know all the people, there's nobody new. Soon we'll be leaving with the same old crew on the greener water that tumble in the sea. Ain't running like the good old days, time's just slipping down the old slipways in the dark, so dear to me. Dark as the night, and I need a guiding light to keep me from foundering on the rocks. My only prayer is just to see you there at the end of my wandering back in the dark. I could use a layoff, getting my strength back, but there's a loan to pay off and a few skid jacks, so it's a turn around back in the southern